How to set up shop on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Then you want to tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner, tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on settings. Now here you want to tap on accounts and scroll down to the very bottom. Tap on switch account type. Just go ahead and tap on it, then tap on switch to business account. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on switch. As you do that, your Instagram will be converted to a business account. Now here what you need to do is go to your profile, tap on edit profile. Here you will see you can add various links. You can add link of your web browser by tapping on add link and then paste your URL here. You can add more links right there like that. You can enter your page, category, then contact options, that is contact number and address. Then you can also tap on profile display, that means how you want your profile to look. Now go back to your profile, then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner again. Tap on settings. As you do that, you want to scroll down, then tap on business, that is third option just below notifications. Now in the very bottom you will be able to see set up shop. As I'm in a country where it is not available, if you are in a region where it is available, you want to go ahead and tap on it, and that is how you can set up shop on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.